Good morning, beautiful people and ladies and gentlemen. Today we are in the garage, so we'll have some fun over here because I have some parts I got and some parts I already put it on. So what I put on, we will look like in the I will just really recap it, and today we will put something else on the Ducati DesertX, and we will do something to AJP PR7 as well. So we don't need to waste the time, yes? We need to do something and we want to have fun. But first thing we have to do this. Ta-da! So AJP has one thing going on with the pipes. The pipes made from the metal, which one rusts really quick. It's like made from sausage, you know, and the rust like a dog tries to eat it up. So I got some chemicals and I'm gonna try to take that off. If it's gonna be possible to do it. See this? And maybe we will try to clean it up. I'm not taking that off. Mission abandoned. Because if I want to take that off, I need to take the radiator out. And the hose is over there. I was expecting that's going to be much easier, but no. Look at that, you know. It's in order to take out these pipes, I have to take off the radiator, or the radiator hoses for sure, and that still would be big pain in the butt because I cannot reach that one with the radiator. I don't have a turning radius at all, so we cannot do it. I will try to apply some rust cleaner like this and we'll see how it's gonna work. But for that I have to take the bike out because I cannot do it in the garage. I have some OptiGlance and we will try to do with the OptiGlance how it's gonna work. I'm not sure, but we will try, because right now you see, it doesn't look very good. Interesting. Yeah, looks like it's working. Looks like it's working pretty easily. We'll see. It says keep for 5 minutes and then just rinse with the water. $13.45. I will be back in 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes passed. Just rinse with water. The rust part is gone, you know, like it's gone. It was rusty over here. I don't see no rust anymore. Oh wow, look at that. It's cleaning up pretty nice. Okay. That cleaned up pretty nice over here. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. I like the way it works, you see. Okay, that was very rusty over here. Okay, that works magic. Now we'll try to clean it with the rag and see what's gonna happen. Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at this. Whoa, I'm amazed. I'm amazed, guys. Whoa. That's crazy nice. I'm amazed. Gotta tell you guys, that stuff works and works really good. Just look at this. Crazy. Left a little over here, but maybe I could respray and try to get rid of this, but I don't think I even need to do that. Amazing, amazing. Now we know that works. And I didn't have to take that off. It looks like it didn't do any harm to paint. So that's good. That's very, very good. Then we can try to work on DesertX. What have been done on this motorcycle and what did I do? So the first thing I want to talk to you what I've done is Pro Brakes short levers. That's what I've done. And I'll show you how I installed it and everything. I'll maybe do a voiceover of it, what the procedure it was. So for taking it off, we have one nut over here, and this is 18. Yep. Okay, then we take that one off. But you see here, I have a little bit too close, so that's kind of hitting my... I need to release a little bit and move it a little bit out. All right, that's how it looks. Now we have to expect that another one gonna work exactly the same. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Because I don't think grease hurts. When you put a bolt through, this one has a little hook. See? So it needs to be in a place before the bolt goes through. It needs to be in a place here. Otherwise, this little hook not going to be able to go over when the bolt's sticking out. Just a little nut back here. This nut is actually crazy, not really a nut, it's kind of made out of washer. We will extend a little bit. Because that's extendable. Okay, and then we repeat on the other side. And we get. And now it works like a dream. I like the shorter ones, plus they're supposed to if not to break, but to turn up. But I think I need to adjust that one somehow better. What I want to say about working with and changing the brakes, be very careful when you're going to be doing it, because over here inside there is a little pin. That pin, it's a little piece of metal which one helps, or it's designed to, when you're applying the brakes, over here, then your brake lights turns on or turns off. So Be very careful with that. If you're gonna lose it and it's a very small and tiny piece, blah, 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 English, my English, that's a very small and tiny piece, and you need to be very careful with that, because if you're gonna lose it, that's it. You need to do some magic, because I don't know where can you get it. Maybe you probably you can order and buy it from Ducati or something like that, but I'm not 100% sure. It's a little tiny piece. I lost it. I lost it because I didn't know that that one is over there, and I had a little problem later. But you know, yeah, I managed to cut from something else, a little piece, and it works. But it needs to be very precise and almost perfect size. Otherwise, it's going to be too small or too big. So be very careful. This stuff, 2 years was on there with broken, because I couldn't get the parts. Now I got a brand new part, and it's a service. Ducati, but made by a service. There we go. I'm gonna put this one on, and it's gonna be like a brand new. When you have the tires like this, look at this clearance right here, almost none. So maybe it's a good idea put some washer over here and then move it a little bit sideways. I think that would be much better, but we'll go like this for now.